From NBC News, this is Today.
Before you head out on your summer getaway, you'll want to hear what these experts have to say. A hotel manager, a lifeguard, and a dermatologist sharing what they would never do on vacation. Coming up right after this. And we're back with a new edition of Today's 5 Things. Summer travel's in full swing with more than 50 million Americans expected to hit the road and travel this holiday weekend. And ahead of Independence Day, we brought in some pros here to share 5 things they would never do when traveling based on their areas of expertise. We've got a hotel manager, a lifeguard, and a dermatologist.
I'm here with Wyatt Werneth. Wyatt has nearly 3 decades of experience as a lifeguard. He's also a spokesperson for the American Lifeguard Association. And Wyatt has 5 tips on what he would never do when swimming this summer. So let's start with number 1 here. Never swim without a lifeguard on site. And we're talking beach and pool, right?
Absolutely. That's the number 1 rule. Always swim in front of a lifeguard. Your chances of drowning in front of a lifeguard are 1 in 18 million.
1 in 18 million. And does it matter how many people you have swimming in terms of how many lifeguards you need?
Well, the more people, the more lifeguards you need, absolutely.
Okay. Never wear a blue swimsuit, you say. Is that because it makes a lifeguard potentially, it makes it harder for them to spot you in the water?
Well, it's camouflage. You'd blend into the environment. It'd be hard for lifeguards to see you. When we have a missing person, having the identified bathing suit in a bright color makes it a lot easier.
You say never dive head first.
That's right. You want to know the bottom topography, the same in a pool. You don't ever want to dive in, but when you're at a lake or open water areas, there could be all kinds of rocks or coral or stumps. You always want to investigate the water, go feet first.
And that's even if you think you know the depth.
Exactly, especially out, with weather, things change. So it could be something drifted up that you don't know about.
All right, this is another good one here. You say never, ever host a pool party without a lifeguard.
And that's correct. I understand you're going to have a party this 4th of July, so I recommend have a lifeguard. If not,
already got
at
one.
least assign a water watcher.